How QR codes can help boost your business, a guide to QRCodeExpress.com. QR codes have become an increasingly popular way for businesses to provide quick access to information and connect with their customers. With QRCodeExpress.com, creating custom QR codes has never been easier. What is QRCodeExpress.com? QRCodeExpress.com is an online software that lets you create custom QR codes and barcodes for your business or personal use. Whether you want to link to your website, share your contact information, or provide access to a Wi-Fi network, QRCodeExpress.com makes it easy to create and customize your own QR codes. How can QR codes help your business? QR codes can be a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. Here are just a few ways they can be used. Marketing. QR codes can be used on business cards, flyers, and posters to provide quick access to your website or social media pages. They can also be used in advertisements or promotions to offer discounts or special offers to customers. Sales. QR codes can be used to provide product information or pricing details to customers in-store. They can also be used to simplify the checkout process by providing a quick way to make a purchase. Customer engagement. QR codes can be used to encourage customers to leave reviews or feedback, sign up for newsletters, or connect with your brand on social media. How to create custom QR codes with QRCodeExpress.com. Creating custom QR codes with QRCodeExpress.com is simple and straightforward. Here's how to do it. Choose the type of code you want to create. QRCodeExpress.com supports a variety of QR code types, including URL, SMS, phone number, email, and Wi-Fi. Enter the information you want to encode. This could be a website URL, contact information, or other data that you want to make easily accessible. Customize the design. With QRCodeExpress.com, you can customize the design of your QR code to match your branding, including the colors and logo. Download and use. Once you've created your custom QR code, you can download it in a variety of formats and use it on your marketing materials or in-store displays. In conclusion, QR codes can be a powerful tool for businesses looking to improve their marketing, sales, and customer engagement efforts. With QRCodeExpress.com, creating custom QR codes has never been easier. Give it a try today and see how it can benefit your business.